Good day to everyone. This video talks about creating a new document and opening a new document. Let's start. Okay, to create a new document, we are going to apply rather the following steps. In the search box, you're going to type Word. Select the Word application and then select blank document. Um, After selecting a blank document, this is now the process in which we are going to put all the content that we want, after which we save the file. So how to save a file, click File Save or press Ctrl S. Or before we encode or create the content, it could as well be possible to save first the document. And then as you go along, you press Ctrl S. Okay? So the next process is that in saving, you select the location where to save, encode the file name or type the file name, and then click save. That's it. Let's start recording new document. See here in the search area, we're going to type Word. After which, this one will pop up. We're going to select Word. So we have the following option. Since we want to start a new document, we are going to select that. Let's just type sample X. Okay. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is to save this. So to save this, you go to File and then click Save, or you can press Ctrl S. Yeah. Okay, so it's up to you which one do you prefer to use. So File, Save, and then we are going to look for the location where we are going to save the file. So I click browse and then I will select from my documents and look for the folder name Word Demo. And I'm going to name the document as PVP1. Save. Okay, there you go. This is simple process of saving a document. I am going to close this one file. I'll close and then I am going to exit the application. To open a document, we're going to apply the following steps. So, in the search box, type Word. After which, select the Word application. Select File Open, or we can press Ctrl O. That's the shortcut to display the open dialog box. After which, you find the location of the file. Then select the file to open, and then click Open. Next, I am going to open the previous file I had created a while ago. So I'll be demonstrating how to open a file. Okay, so first, if the Microsoft Word application appears, you can just select it. And then you click blank. To display the open dialog box, the shortcut key is Ctrl O. So the open dialog box will pop up, or you can do File Open. Again, it's your preference, which one do you like? And then you're going to navigate the file. Where did I store the file? Okay, let's say browse. And then I'm going to look for my folder, Word demo. Where is that? Then inside my Word demo, I'm going to select the file and then you click open. So that's it. It's very simple. Opening file. Okay. Yeah. So this is the context sample text. Okay. This is the process on how you are going to open your file.